Hey guys, here's a new fan I got today. This is a Carroway EF-100. I got new in box off of Marketplace. Here's the box. It's a spinner, and it's from, I think it's around like the early to mid 80s, maybe 83, like 83, 84. It's in brown. It looks like this reddish brown, sort of. His tassel. And this is the first generation, like the earlier version of the EF-100. The later ones were, they had like different blades and blade brackets. These are real wood blades. And the later version has ball and socket. This is double claw mount with a bell canopy. Cast iron spinner motor. It's got gold stripe. It also matches the tassel. I think these are like teak, maybe walnut blades. One of those two. There's the top. It's also color. It's also coded on which blade goes at which spot. So like this one is D. It also has D there and D there. It was supposed to be a version. It was supposed to be to like balance the blades out, but it didn't really work because this fan still wobbles really bad. It's really heavy too. Carroway also, they basically went out of business. They started in like the early, like early 80s. I believe this is one of their first fans they made. And they got bankrupt around like 1987. So really short-lived, and they were sold at Kmart. But yeah, start on low. It's really loud though. I think it doesn't help that the rafters, I think it amplifies it. I hope it doesn't have a bad winding. Because it's pretty loud. Definitely one of the loudest fans I own. This is my first spinner fan that I own. Besides industrial, which is that can-arm chrome industrial. But this basically has an industrial motor attached to 4 wood blades, so it's like residential use with a industrial motor. And it's making so many noises. Up to medium. It's got a big chunky motor. The bearings are surprised, they are a little hissy, but it's not too bad. It still has a really long spin down. And this fan was never opened or used. The box still had its shrink wrap on it. Alright, now put up to high. This is where it wobbles really bad. Yeah. But it doesn't help because of that double claw mounting system. It's the same mounting that Emerson uses. It takes a while to get up to speed, but it definitely blows the pretty good amount of air. This fan works more off of speed than pitch. It's a pretty good fan. I like it. I like these early 80s spinners. And surprisingly, this fan was only 20 minutes away from me. And I'll turn it off. Yeah, this is where it starts to wobble really bad. But, yeah, that's it. Bye. Hey guys, so I just got this brand new in-box Carroway EF-100 from Marketplace. New in box. Here's the box. There's the fan. This fan's from the early to mid 80s. Carroway. It's still in its original wrap. So it's never been open. So it's basically been in storage for like 40 years. Here's this side. It says it's reversible. On that side. So let's open it up. These were sold at Kmart. So how do I, oh. So I'm going to try and dump this on the one side. Hold on. Box give me trouble. Okay, here we go. So, right here are the blades. In like a teak walnut color. right here. And here's the fan itself. So here's the mounting bracket. It's double claw. Here is the manual. Ceiling fan instructions. Carroway. And here is the warranty card. Here's the screws. Blade badges. It's in like a reddish brown color. Here's the canopy. If I can get this out. Might need, oh. And here's the motor. And it has its tassel too. So yeah. Now I'll put it up on the ceiling. I gotta take the hacienda down first though. So yeah, that's it. Bye.